What's going on YouTube? And you see your boy back with another shoe video. And we got the Air Jordan 12 Retro. Black, bright crimson, as you can see. Suggested retail $190. Okay, you guys $360 on the box. Jordan. Jumpman. And quality inspired by the greatest player ever. If you guys are new to the channel, like this video, subscribe. I drop all types of banger content, but ooh-wee, guys, as you can see, yes sir. Let's take them out the box and let's check these bad boys out. Woo! Yes sirree, guys. As you can see, got the Air Jordan 12 Retro, aka utility. Give you guys a quick 360 of the shoe. Real clean, real clean. I really like this pair. Okay, let's move on these shoes out of the way. Okay, starting from the tongue, as you can see, we have a black Jumpman with the red outlining. But then coming down the tongue, we have the 2, in the black with the infrared outlining. Then we have the silver right there. Jumpman on them. Nothing special. No special lace tips or nothing. Just black plastic. Coming onto this side. Nice smooth hard leather right here. And this material right here. Oh, this is some nice material, as you can see. Swipe your finger across it. Changes. Moving on to the back. You see, we got the black Jumpman. 23 in the white. On this side, we got the Jumpman stamp right there. Yes, sir. Overall, just a nice, clean shoe, in my opinion, of course. Coming to the inside, you can see we have that infrared with that black Jumpman, if you can see. Sizing tag right there. But yeah, guys, you know me, my question: did you cop these? Did you grab them to rock or to resell? These, personally, in my opinion, I'm rocking these. These is tough. But moving on to the bottom, as you can see, got the white Jumpman, white 23, black traction, got the carbon fiber, and more black traction. Yes, as you can see, it's kind of a nice little icy bottom. Dark, but little translucent. I like it. Definitely a clean look. But yeah, guys, what you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, I think I'm gonna rock these ones, guys. That material is on point. But yeah, guys, another little quick video. But till next time.